Let's do some French fries in the air fryer. Here is a shot of the actual air fryer in case y'all were wondering what it looks like. Cut your potatoes up. I'm gonna toss them in olive oil, seasoned with chicken seasoning, onion powder, and Italian seasoning. Very simple. Okay, so the easiest way I found to do this was to take the rack out of the air fryer and put the potatoes on top. By the way, I'm using the Power XL air fryer, and it has the shelves in it, so. I already got the top one loaded up. It automatically goes to 18 minutes when you put it on this setting. It's been 12 minutes and I have not flipped these or nothing. I'm just gonna let it finish going, y'all. This is my first time doing French fries in this particular air fryer. Okay, I got 5 minutes left, and I'm gonna check on them real quick because I don't want them to burn or anything. Let's see.
Mommy, this house is so good.
Ooh, they look really good. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, so I'm going to get one of these out and see if they're done. Let's see. Let's see. That one is done, so I'm assuming the rest of them are done. I'm gonna give it one more minute though. It's definitely not gonna need that whole 18 minutes because I cut them up kind of small. Crunchy. It's 3 minutes left, so that technically means that these only cook for 15 minutes. I'm gonna stop them here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna set this rack out. Here's the other rack. I need to make sure because this one was on the bottom. Let's see. Here. The ones on the top rack got a little bit browner than the ones on the bottom, but they are cooked all the way through in 15 minutes. Again, my first time. I just wanted y'all to go along on the ride with me. I didn't flip these or anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.
Yep.